BMX night rider's worst nightmare. It's raining. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we have another installation video. We have front brakes. We're going to be installing. This bike's going to have just front brakes. So yeah, let's get started. So this hole in the fork is where it's going to go through, and then it's going to tighten down on the other side, and you should have it this way. So I'll come back to you guys when we got that. What I've got here is thicker calipers than the stock one. There's the stock one, and then here's the thicker ones for a more clear and better stop. Really want to get that back wheel up when doing stoppies and stuff. I'll get back to you guys. So that's how it should be on. We're now going to go ahead and tighten it down. Just put the wire through and put the cable around like that. That's going to be it for part one of brakes installation. Before somebody going crazy out there, pickup truck. Before I go, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you something real quick. I'll be right back. So I was messing around in my free time yesterday, and I made this. It's a ramp. It's a solid ramp. It's a good ramp. I hit it a few times on the Mad Main. Did very, very well. After we're done with building this up, we are gonna do videos testing this as well. See if this bike that we built up can handle the abuse that our BMX bikes can. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be building another ramp here. That's gonna be it for this video. That's gonna be a separate video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the YouTube channel. As in the next hour or two here, I will be posting that video as well. Thank you guys for watching this. I'll see you.